So today I'm going to try to do a little demonstration with you to go over ocean water, different temperatures and different densities, how it acts. So I've got a couple bottles here. The blue one has cold water in it. The yellow one has hot water in it. So I'm going to attempt to do this. So I've got a piece of film and I'm going to put it over it, and I'm going to try to put the hot one on top of the cold one, and then I'm going to pull the film out and we're going to see what it does. This is just plastic. Okay. So I've got it over it. Now I'm going to pull the plastic out. I'm going to try to keep it level. Pull the plastic out. Keep the bottles on top of each other. Keep them lined up. All right. So you can see, got the cold water on the bottom, hot water on the top. You can see a little area right here where the two have mixed and it's caused a green color. But for the most part, these two areas have not mixed. Okay, so we've got the cold on the bottom, hot on the top. Now I'm going to attempt to flip it over, and we're going to see what happens if it's reversed. Let's see how I can do this easy. Okay. So now we're seeing, I don't know if you could tell, but there's little swirls going on here. There's a lot of swirling going on here. What's happening is the cold water is more dense. So you've got solid, liquid, gases. The colder it gets, the more dense it gets. So gases are hotter, higher energy. They're spread more further apart. They're less dense. Cold is more dense. So it's going to bring the particles together. And then that's going, in this case, that means that they're going to sink down because they're heavier. They're more dense. So it's causing the two to actually swirl around and mix up. So now it's going to eventually get to where the whole thing is green. And that's because of convection currents. Hot air or hot water rises, cold air or water sinks. So you've got a convection current going on in here right now, and it's eventually going to stabilize and the whole thing will be green. If we had left it that way, if we left it the other way, the warm likes to be on the top, cold likes to be on the bottom. Eventually, if they would have gotten to room temperature, it would have dispersed throughout, but not right away because of such a differences in temperature. Okay.